Hey everyone, Mike here. So everyone's been asking for a scrapping video, and I wanted to show you one and give you a couple tips on what I do with the materials as they come out. It's just me recording, so I apologize if we get a little bit shaky and I make a few mistakes here and there, but let's jump in. So what we have here, this is in Econoline ASC2S 2100. This is a traffic light controller. This is what the police use to change the lights, red, green, yellow, whatever, when there's a lot of traffic buildup. At least I think it's what it's for. There is sections in here for them to record data and use whatever. So anyway, you start with this little guy here, and he opens up. So I'm not sure exactly how much I'm going to narrate or talk, but I've undone a lot of the screws and bolts already, so you guys ain't bored to death. I mean, if you don't know how to use a nut driver, screwdriver by now, you really need to start looking for something else. So, take the bolts out of that. Plug it. Okay. Lay him to the side right now. I've gotten, I got 4 of these, and this is my last one, so I thought I'd try and make a video for you guys. Okay, little pins there. Goes with that. Let's see. First time that's happened today. Now, one thing I do that I notice a lot of scrappers do not do is, as I'm taking things apart, I will prepare everything for scrap. You know, this is aluminum, so I wanted to clean it as I go. Now this piece here. Now you see a lot of these guys on casings and stuff, and a lot of times they'll be aluminum, but just as much they'll be steel. And what I do is I'll grab it and just bend her right out, and that takes care of it. So for the sake of the video, I'm not going to go through that part of it, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more to take out. These posts here, they're aluminum, so they can stay. Okay, so we'll just lay him to the side. Now, bring him out. this what really started me on the videos today was, let's see here, that clip. Okay, there we go. Now if you see, we got gold pins here and not so much gold there. Alright, and what I have found through taking these apart, look at that. You look in there and that's silver colored, silver toned. But guys, it's the first time, and I wonder how many of these now that I've taken apart and just skipped over this. They're silver toned, but I cleared them out with these other ones. They're gold. You know, you can see a little bit of it down there. But the insides of these are gold. So we'll save those. We'll take care of those later. Let's see. There he is. My trusty little drill. Alright, so how often do you see a power supply with really nice gold pins like that? Let's see, here's another thing. Yeah, usually I just throw the power supplies to the side. Now inside these boxes here, you'll find silver contacts. Sometimes they're copper with just a silver plating on top, but sometimes they're all the way silver. Okay, so let's get back to this board real quick so I can show you something real quick. Alright, so these little black things, you'll find them on almost every computer board. Alright, and they have a little bit of gold inside, not a lot. Let's see, there's 5, and I thought there was one other one. Great, just what you wanted to see, right? Me looking for something that's not there. Oh, there he is. Okay. And I saved those. I've got probably 1,000 or two. But another thing I wanted to show you, all of your boards, you know, if they're, I'm not going to say all of them, but a lot of your boards are going to have batteries on them. Take them off first thing, alright, because your buyers do not want these mixed in with your boards. Alright, so let's take a quick look here. Them pretty guys. Right there. Let's see if I can get it gold all the way down to the board. And then of course, more than likely these are tantalum. I got more, there's some more on the back there. These are all resistors. Okay, and then you got dip chips. Bunches of them. Now, I don't know about the resistors. They probably have ruthenium in them, but I'm really not sure. Look at the end of that guy. There was a little note on the back of this box. Let's see. It's taken from the corner of Washington and Town Center. COM port 2 does not work. That must be number 2, huh? Okay, so I got the battery out, took those pieces off, so him over here. Watch me make a mess. The pretty boards. Let me show you something. You're really going to like this. Look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Just like gold fingers, eh? So, I'm not going to tear into this thing. This video is getting awfully long. But, inside this screen, you're going to find a board like this, and it's underneath like some gel. And the gel, it just pulls up. And if you can see that, I've already scratched it. That's gold all the way down. So I'm going to have to take some sodium hydroxide and soak this in that, or lye, for those of you who don't know. Be really careful, because that stuff will tear your skin off too. So then we got a board like this, and I doubt you can see it, but there's a little line. Yeah, you can see a little bit of it. The lines running across there. I think those are copper. They may be gold, but you got a couple gold pieces here anyway. And this is the board. I took a couple chips off, and the reason I can't really show you that part, because that is right there. Those it's soldered together. So these two boards were soldered to each other, and somewhere. Oh yeah, there's a little piece hanging out here. I went ahead and cut that off. But this right here, I'm going to treat just like gold fingers. Clean them up. You know, we've got some gold pens, nice gold pens throughout the whole thing. Got some nice chips. And that thing, man, I love just looking at those. Alright, well, I'm going to finish all those too. So guys, that's about it. I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, here's one other thing. Little plastic piece. This has got 3 plastic tabs in here. Now what I do is I come in here with a razor knife, because I can't get to them very well, and I'll cut the ends off. Okay? Now, these right here, they're steel. So, make sure you guys run through and check everything. Clean up your aluminum boxes or whatever you've got them coming in, and get them ready for the scrapyard before you start messing with your boards. And this will save you a lot of time in the long run, because you're going to use this to keep your money flowing as you're getting your boards. So I wanted to show you a little trick I use. See if I can do this one-handed here. Probably not. And that's how you get the feet off. A lot of times they'll have screws, a lot of times they won't. So, the video's too long right now, so I gotta get off of here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, share this with your friends. Keep scrapping, but you know, most of all, have fun doing it. Don't make it too much of a job. You guys take care.